A16Z commits $600 million to blockchain gaming, retail consumer spending falling, Solana NFTs take off, and Kwon to answer to the South Korean Congress. Today's May 19th. Welcome to the Palisade Market Report. Okay, welcome everybody to the Palisade Market Report. I'm your host, Zero Viewers. Traditional interbanking transfer system SWIFT will start testing a CBDC payment solution beginning this month. Looks like even TradFi knows that a blockchain solution is inevitable. After a litany of offenses, the S&P 500 has removed Tesla from the ESG index fund. Tesla slumped 7% on Wednesday and is down 40% over the last 2 months. Twitter share prices fall by 20% as it continues to openly dispute with Elon. Both Tesla and Twitter stock prices struggling. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley predict more than a 1 in 4 chance that the U.S. falls to a recession in the next year. Retail giants Walmart and Target release disappointing numbers, sounding more alarms. Inflation continues to weigh down consumer spending. Discount stores in double-digit losses on the week. Its target's down 20%. S&P trading flat as gold is in the green. Russian Minister of Industry and Trade says it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin is legalized as official currency. Bitcoin volatility continues as the 7th red weekly candle is confirmed. Despite Bitcoin volatility and apparent sell-off, addresses that contain more than one Bitcoin hit an all-time high. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index hits an 8, the lowest it's been since 2020. Bitcoin trades in the green, up above 30,000. Ethereum fell below 2,000 yesterday, revealing a bullish divergence pattern. Crypto's largest altcoin pushes past 2,000 this morning, continuing to trade in that range. Ahead of the Robson merge, Ethereum's dev team releases a $500,000 bug bounty, and Cloudflare looks to launch Ethereum validator nodes. Cloudflare is the web's largest DDoS mitigation service, and a partnership with Ethereum could be an interesting one. A16Z releases their crypto report for 2022. Crypto's global market cap is up 270%. Reminder, this data is from the end of the year 2021, and we've seen quite a bit of a pullback over the last couple of months. Positives from the report: developer activity is up 68%, while social media and startups continue to rise at a similar pace. Compared to its Web 2 counterparts, Web 3 offers many advantages. OpenSea's take rate is 2.5%, while the Apple App Store takes 30% and YouTube can take up to 45%. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter all don't share profits with their creators. Hard to tell what is truth or FUD coming out of the Terra community right now, so let's take everything that we read with a giant pitcher of salt. What has been confirmed is that the Terra legal team has officially resigned and stepped away from Terra Labs. Kwon has been called to appear before South Korean Congress to answer some real questions about the crash of Luna and UST. Taking a look at the 7-day performance, you see a lot of coins rebounding right now. Double-digit positives for BNB, Solana, DOT, and ADA. Although we see AVAX, Crow, and Tezos continuing to struggle, with Shib absolutely getting dog-walked down 22%. Not financial advice, but you shouldn't hold meme coins, and holding a meme coin during a down market seems like a double whammy. Web3 native blockchain tool from Chainalysis aims to track and visualize smart contract transactions. The tool places some much-needed focus on NFTs and DeFi. Chainalysis estimates that over $1.8 billion was stolen through DeFi platforms over this year. Just a week ago, lending protocol Fortress lost everything to an Oracle price manipulation attack. Hackers made off with nearly $3 million of ETH and DAI. Fortress was an algorithmic money market and synthetic stablecoin protocol that provided credit and lending to its users. In some better news, Ramp Network expands its presence to the United States. Ramp Swaps LLC is registered as a money service business and is able to operate in 38 states. Ramp offers fiat on-ramping, KYC, and fraud detection services. Venus Protocol picking itself back up from $15 in April to $3.30 earlier this month. Seeing some nice pumps over the last 7 days, up 50%. TrueFi sees some nice gains this morning, with Aave and Uki all in the green. Finally, some green days in the crypto gaming space, with lots of tokens making positive gains today. Azure Games raises $15 million in seed round funding, partnering with A16Z, Coinbase, Franklin Templeton, and NFTS. Azure plans to expand its sci-fi RPG with Web3 elements and virtual collectibles. The firm was founded by ex-Electronics Arts general manager Mark Otero. A16Z announces a $600 million fund to invest in the gaming industry. According to their blog post, Web3 will define how we socialize, work together, and play together over the next century. A16Z has a decade-long track record of supporting online gaming, making investments in some of the largest online gaming spaces like Zynga, Oculus, Riot Games, and Epic. Solana NFTs are starting to make their impact heard as Magic Eden overtakes OpenSea's daily volume. According to Dapp Radar, with over 275,000 transactions, Magic Eden transactions absolutely dwarf that of OpenSea's 50,000. All right, guys, that was the market report. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl.